Kumar Jamatia, Tribal Welfare and Forest, Government of Tripura. Our chief guest, Honorable Minister, Shri Mewa Kumar Jamatia, Tribal Welfare and Forest, Government of Tripura.
I know our state is having a lot of problems, and for your information, I am telling 70 to 80% officers, very great, we have to hire from outside state, from other states. Because we are not having the good officers in Tripura. All IS officers, director, BP officers are all from outside. 70 to 80%. From UP, from South India, from this and that. Because we don't have our own people. Or even tribal non-tribal state. Even till today, after so many years, we cannot make chief secretary from our own state. Maybe tribal non-tribal state. Because chief secretary, principal secretary, are most of them from outside. I am not blaming them, but still, I want my own people from our state to come up, to become chief secretary, to become principal secretary, top officials. Not there. Very few, not only tribal, but non-tribal. We don't have officers, IS officers. You go to Mizoram, you go to Nagaland, you go to other states. Maximum officers belong from their own state. So that make different. But we in Tripura, we have been very rare. Not even 1%, I think, not even 2%. Therefore, I encourage you people to study hard, to become IS officers. Or maybe there are a lot of allied service there, revenue department, railway, forest, all become the big of all the services.